This is not your everyday Taco Tuesday, but let me tell you, it is delicious and so easy to make. These crunchy egg roll tacos are crunchy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. Let me show you how to make them. Now, you're gonna find this recipe to be really fun and easy to make, but let me introduce you to my special guest. This is actually my son right here, Miguel.
Mr. Miguel Jr.
That's Junior. So he loves tacos, and he was like, look, I'm in town. I wanna know how to make this too. So we're gonna go ahead and get this jumping. Now, the first ingredient you're gonna need is very easy. What we got, Miguel?
We got some nice ground beef here in the bowl for you guys.
And you only need to season it up. You can use salt and pepper, whatever you like. I like to use a simple base of flavor before we do the taco seasoning. And of course, I'm using a House of Flavor Steakhouse seasoning, and you can go ahead and season that up a little bit. And once you mix those flavors really simple into the bowl, do not over season it because this is a taco recipe and we want to use taco seasoning. Use whatever you like, but what I'm using today is my tasty taco seasoning that everyone already loves from my website. But please, if you have a version at home or if you have a brand you prefer at the store, please use whatever you like to season up your taco meat. Now, once you get that seasoned up and you got your pan nice and hot, you want to take the ground beef, of course, or your ground turkey or whatever you have, and you want to get that into the pan. And really simple. Now you got your ground beef seasoned up nicely. You want to add in some of your taco seasoning. Yeah. Now I happen to like to put some more in there. I happen to like mine to be seasoned really good. Now you could stop right here and just begin to make your taco, or you can add a little bit more into the taco meat, which I'm going to add some red onion. Miguel, you want to throw that red onion in there? There you go. Just a little bit. There we go. I think that's enough. We're just going to add a little bit of red onion, not a whole lot to it.
I bet you do that because of the flavor, huh?
Exactly. Okay. Exactly. Okay. It's all flavor. Now I got the onion in. You only want to heat that up until it's fragrant. You don't want to overcook it because we're going to add more to the flavor when we pack and fill the fillings later on. All right, we got the meat done, Miguel. I think we're ready. We set that to the side. I told you it was very easy. How long have you been doing this so far? A couple minutes?
A couple minutes, not too long.
Very easy. So give me the egg roll wraps. We're gonna go ahead and start to build the filling and make the egg rolls and then continue to cook them. Now you wanna get you a few. You wanna lay them out depending on how many you need. And I like to lay them out as a diamond. So you wanna make it as a diamond and lay it down. That's because you're gonna build from the corner and wrap it up and then moving forward. Now it's time to layer on the meat. Put a little bit right in the middle. You don't wanna overdo it. I like to throw on some red onion, just a little bit of tomatoes, and of course, some fresh cheese.
Is that all gonna fit?
Yeah, it's gonna fit. Yep. You wanna roll this like this here, right here. Roll it on the sides, just like you would a standard egg roll. And then you wanna roll this just like that. Now right on the end, get a little water, right here now. You wanna dab that, a little more, just a little bit, yep. And then we just dab that so it closes. Now you have a full egg roll. Now when you just wanna go and you wanna repeat and do this. You think you can do this now?
Is this my turn?
Yeah, man, it's your turn. Go ahead, knock it out.
I ain't a pro yet, but you
know. No, you ain't a pro, but it's all good. And don't be skimpy on the meat, man. You know, people want some.
This is mine.
There you go. Add you some, yeah. You can throw you some green onion in there. Now you gotta, oh, that's a healthy one. Now you gotta put a little bit of cheese in there.
Can I grab my cheese, man?
Yeah,
you
man,
put it on, okay?
I'm trying to help you out here. A little bit of water. Look at that. Professional. Man, look at that. You feel good about yourself now, don't you?
I got the big one.
All right, so we got that. And basically we're just gonna repeat and do the whole thing and show you how we bring this together. Now what I decided to do is Miguel liked his egg roll very hearty. So you can actually double roll your egg roll so you have a nicer, thicker egg roll just like that. So you have a double layer of crust, which is also really nice. Now you wanna get your grease hot to about 325 degrees, and you wanna go ahead and just deep fry these for about less than a minute, depending on how your stove cooks. We're gonna drop these in.
I got the third one?
Yep, you got the third one. There you go.
You know, one thing I do like about these, I've made wontons,
Yeah.
but as far as the egg roll goes, it takes like 45 seconds and it's ready to eat.
Oh, it's done.
Yeah.
It's super easy. Once you build them up, if you got like a family around, I mean, you could turn this into a family fun thing like taco night without having all the traditional stuff. And then we're gonna show you the beer cheese dip. We're not gonna show you how to make it. We're just gonna give you the ingredients and put them down below. I mean, that really just takes it to a whole nother level. You never had it?
Because I'm super hungry.
You super hungry? Yeah. So we're gonna do that. And look at this. This is already at about 30 seconds. Nice and crispy.
It's looking good already.
Take them out, put them on some paper towels, and then you want to do the rest of them. Oh man.
Oh, wow.
Look at that. How beautiful that looks. We'll take a few more. Look at that. I'm good. Now smell that.
Ooh, you can smell it through the camera.
That beer cheese dip is very good. I'll post the recipe below. You just mix it and do it up. And let me tell you, it's a nice addition to your tacos. And here we go. We only got one chance to drip, so hopefully we drip right. Check this out. And you want to drip this straight over top like that. Look at that. It is so good. What do you think, Miguel? You think we did a good job?
I think I'm ready to eat.
No, you can't eat yet. The best part about being on this side of the camera, and I know a lot of chefs tell you that, is that we get to taste the food first. So since you are a guest,
All right, I'm gonna grab the middle one.
you're gonna grab the middle. That's a really, really good one.
Caught my eye.
Now it's hot now, so be careful.
All right. Cheers.
Oh man, listen to that crunch. Is that good?
Great flavor. Lost for words.
It's good, isn't it? Well, I guess I should try it too. Look at this one.
Quick meal and a good meal.
That's a quick meal and a good meal. Listen, you gotta make this at home. It is very, very good and delicious. It's fun to make. The kids gonna love it. And you can also make this as another option for a dinner party. If you love this, share it with a friend. Leave me a comment below. And I don't think these are gonna make it too far. You want the rest of these?
Yeah, sure do.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, thank y'all for joining in. I'm Chef Miguel. This is my son in the back, Miguel Jr.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
And make it a family affair.
If you enjoyed this, don't forget to check out my specialty line of spice blends that are naturally flavored and extremely delicious. Order yours at www.he'sgotflavor.com.